Okay, I'm gonna explain on Excel how to grade the marks, find out the ranking, placing, and also how to total out the given row score. So first of all, you come here, you click here, you open the Excel. But for this case, I have written the name of the students already and their marks in all list. So this one you manually enter them, so it is simple. So I just go through here. So now we are gonna find out, for example, find out the marks for this one. These are total marks out of test, so we are gonna find the total. So you click on this cell, and now it is active. Click again, and it will go inside. Then you click again, and then you're gonna see the letter out there, the total score of the students. So we are gonna start with D13, which means D2. So you enter equal sign, shift on your keyboard, press number 9 button which has the bracket sign in it, and then you press D, D2. You press D2, okay, D2, and then you're going to press H2 because the last number is here. Last total number is here, H2. Before you do that, you shift on your keyboard, you press colon button, and then you can type H2, and then you shift again on your keyboard, and then you press 0 button on the keyboard which has the close bracket, and then you press enter. Okay, it still gives us the value is not right, maybe we have done the mistake. Okay, see, we didn't include the sum, so you add sum here. You type sum equals sum. Make sure it must be in capital letter, sum, and then you press enter, and it gives us the total number for the test here. You do the same here in students. You click equal sign, sum, shift, bracket, then you look at D4, H4. So we'll type D4 colon H4, close bracket, enter. Then we have 131. So you just come here, and then you press it on your left hand side, and you drag it down. Automatically it will give you the total score of the students. Okay, how to find the percentage? Make sure you can click under active cell, must be under the percentage. So you click, some of you will have in this box here general. If in this case, if it is in general, what you do, you click here on the drop down button here, you come down to percentage, you click again once, and it will give you the sign of percentage. You click on this drop down button again, you come to percentage 2, so you remove the 2 and add 0, and then you click OK. Now it will give you the percentage. Okay, for this case, you click again, you go in, you put the equal sign here. You see the total number out of 150 is under I, so you're gonna press I4, sorry, not press but enter, I4, I4, and then you divide it, I4, and then we enter 150 out of 150. Make sure, sorry, you put the equal sign here, equal sign, then you enter. So you see still we calculate in the wrong area. You see, supposed to be here, we should be calculating here. Okay, equals I4 divided by 150, enter. It gives you 87%. You press it here, you drag down, you give it a percentage. Okay, how to find the Okay, now I'm going to show you the most important part, how to grade the students' percentage and their marks. you click on the active button here, sorry cell on the gradings here, and then you type the formula equal sign first, if shift close bracket, if J4, why I say J4 is J is underneath the percentage and the 4 here. If J4 is greater than equals to 90%, you add the 90% sign, comma, open quotation, A, close quotation, comma, and then you type if J4. You do the same to all. If J4 is equals to greater than equals to 80%, then comma, put the sign, open quotation, B, close quotation, comma, if bracket J4 is greater than equals to 60%, by the percentage, comma, open quotation, grading C, close quotation, comma, if, comma, J4 is greater than equals to 59%, so it should not be greater. Now we should type less than equals to 59%, comma, open quotation, grading, close quotation, and then we apply for bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, then you enter. It gives you the gradings here. You just click here and you drag it down, and it's gonna give you all the gradings. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you how to rank the students, first place, second place, and only. So you click on the active button on rank here. So first thing you do is equal sign, and then you type RANK. Okay, you are trying to find the rank, so RANK, you close bracket, type close bracket, and then you find, you're gonna get the total of the students. We are going to calculate to find that one. So for this case is in I, so for this one is I4. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna enter I4, and then you bracket sign, and then you enter the dollar sign, you shift and you press number 4, you shift and press 4 button, it gives you the dollar sign, and then it gives you the dollar sign, and then you press the I4 again, I4, and then you shift on the button here on the keyboard, and then you press semicolon, and then you shift and press the dollar sign again, and then you press I here again, the same, then you press I, and then you shift again dollar sign, then you get the total from here to here, so it will be 13. So you type 13, and then you see it gives you like this one. So you press enter, then it gives you the gradings. So you just drag down, press it and you drag it down, automatically it gives you the placing of the students. Thank you very much for watching, and this is the end of the tutorial, and that's all, and hope to see you in the next tutorial.